If you want to buy games on itch.io, this video will walk you through the process step by step in the quickest and easiest way possible. Whether you're supporting an indie developer, grabbing a paid game, or just want to make sure you check out correctly, I'm going to show you exactly what to click so you can complete your purchase with confidence. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and website guides just like this. It really helps the channel a lot. Alright, let's jump in. First, open itch.io in your browser and find the game you want to buy. You can do this by searching for the title or by opening the game's project page directly. Once you're on the project page, take a look for the Buy Now button. This is the main button you'll use to start the purchase process. Go ahead and click Buy Now to open the payment window. After that, you'll usually see the set price for the game. One nice thing about itch.io is that some creators let you pay the listed amount, but in many cases you can also choose to pay more if you want to support the developer a little extra. If that option is available, simply adjust the amount before you move on. This can be a great way to show appreciation for the work that went into the game. Once you've chosen the amount, continue to checkout. At this stage, itch.io will let you complete your purchase using a major credit card or PayPal, depending on what payment options are available for that listing. Just pick the method that works best for you, enter your details securely, and confirm the transaction. Make sure to review everything before finalizing the payment so you know you're buying the correct game and paying the amount you intended. After checkout is complete, itch.io will give you access to the files for your purchase. From there, you can download your game files directly to your device. In many cases, the download will be available right away from your library or purchase page, so you can get started quickly without waiting around. And that's really all there is to it. To recap, you find the game's project page, click Buy Now, choose your payment amount, check out with a credit card or PayPal, and then download the files directly once your purchase goes through. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want more step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.